So today we're going to be going over how to make I/O or some type of field device wireless. So the device that we're going to be utilizing today to accomplish this is going to be the Phoenix Contact wireless access point client and also Bluetooth module, all built into this one module. Very cool device, definitely going to be revolutionary in the sense of industrial automation. Wireless is going to become very, very huge thing. I'm going to take you over to my screen real quick. As you can see right here, we have access through the web browser at this IP address to this module. So we are already connected to this module. This particular video here, we're not going to actually connect this to a piece of I/O, but what we will use, we'll use this as basically like a wireless card for our PC. So you can utilize this thing as like a wireless access card for a PC as well, along with any other device that you would plug into a network. So essentially anything that you would plug into an Ethernet network, you'd be able to utilize this device as the receiver for any signals. So there's a couple different methods to going about setting this thing up. There's like an easy mode where you don't need any cabling or anything like that, but we're going to use the cabling method just because I feel like it's the simplest. The most amount of devices are set up this way. So I think if you just kind of keep the same pattern of how you go about setting up devices, it kind of just builds that repetition and makes you better at it. So what you'll need for this particular method here is you will need the M12 Ethernet cable, and on the other end we have an RJ45 to plug into our hardwired Ethernet connection. Then here we have an M12 connector for power. And see, as you can see here, we have some different blinking lights and whatnot. We're going to go ahead and press and hold this mode button right here. We'll hold this button for like 10 seconds. After you press and hold this for the 10 seconds, when you go and release it, you should see the indicator lights make a change.